Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bootable device of Ubuntu. That is, how to convert a Ubuntu ISO for a bootable device. First of all, go to your browser, just click Ubuntu ISO download. You will get first website here, download Ubuntu desktop. Just click on that. Once you click, you will find download Ubuntu desktop. Here, if you come down, you will get Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. LTS is nothing but long-term support, where this software is the genuine software which helps in long-term supporting. Another you will get like Ubuntu 25.10. This is not an LTS. This is you can check the OS or you can work multiple operation of latest Ubuntu systems. So just come here and click download. Once you enter the download, it will ask you something regarding this. Don't fill it up, it will automatically gets download here. It is of 5.9 GB, approximately 6 GB. So let's wait for the download. Then we look into converting a bootable device. So now you can see the download is completed. Once it is completed, close this window and open Rufus. Once you open this, it will ask you the permission, give yes. After this, select the device. So for selecting device, you need to connect a pen drive into your system. So now I have connected the pen drive in my system. It is showing the name as Kokomo. Now select the OS. The OS is in my download. Just click on that. You will get all these default devices. So MBR and GPT. MBR is used for old devices and GPT used for new partition device. BIOS is UEFI. Then FAT32, NTFS, whichever you want, you can choose here. Just type the name, or else you can keep on default name. Just click on start. Once you give the start, it will show some of the dialog boxes. Press OK. Then the formatting starts by the system. So you have to wait until this process is completed. Let us stay tuned. Now you can see the upload of OS into bootable device is completed. Just close this window. Then if you want to verify it, you just open the file explorer. This is the Ubuntu OS. You just check here. Every part of Ubuntu will be there here. So this is about video. Thank you guys.